Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. We are back with another video on Flow Masterclass. Today we are going to look at the following topics. What are flows? What are the type of flows? And how can we use flows in Salesforce? Flow is an automation which is used for data manipulation purpose in Salesforce. For example, if you want to do any update on any record in any object. Second, if you want to delete any object or any record. Third, if you want to send an email. Fourth, if you want to create a task. And fifth, if you want to call a flow from another flow or from Apex class. These are the examples where you can use flows in Salesforce. Let's look how can you access flows in Salesforce. So you can go to this 9 dots, you can type flow here, and then you can click flows, then you will be shown this screen. So this is a new feature which has recently been launched by Salesforce. There, if you go to the list view all flows, there you can see all the flows which you have in your Salesforce. If you again click those 9 dots and you type flow here, you can see the flows which are paused. You can see the name of the flow and other details like interview status, flow version, etc. You can also access flow when you type flow in quick find and then click on this option. You will be shown this screen. From here you can click on new flow and you will be shown four different type of flows. The first one is triggered flow. Triggered flows are the flows which are launched when you want to create any record, when you want to do update on any record. In those scenarios, you are going to use triggered flows. Scheduled flow are used when you want to launch the flow at a particular point in time. The best case example is that, let's say you want to delete account which are older than 5 years and you want to schedule this delete at 7 p.m. every day. So what you can do, you can build a schedule flow and schedule to run this flow every day at 7 p.m. The third one is screen flow. Screen flows are the flows where you have an interactive screen that guide users through a set of process, and at the end you create a record. The best example is, let's say in the case of contact center, you are showing user a screen and then user provides some inputs and at the end user creates a case. The fourth one is auto launch flows. These are the flows that are launched automatically, for example from a process builder, from a subflow, or from an Apex class. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and I will be back with another video on Flow Masterclass. Have a nice day.